everything to George Bailey. Help him, dear Father.
Joseph, Jesus, and Mary, help my friend, Mr. Bailey.
Help my son George tonight.
He never thinks about himself, God. That's why he's in trouble.
George is a good guy. Give him a break, God.
I love him, dear Lord. Watch over him tonight.
Please, God, something's the matter with Daddy. Please bring Daddy back.
I owe everything to George Bailey.
I owe everything to George Bailey. 意思是我亏欠 George Bailey 一切东西。
I owe everything to George Bailey.
我们可以造句 I owe something to somebody. 意思是我欠某人某个东西。比如 I owe $10 to you. $10 是$10的意思。
Help him, dear Father.
Help him, dear father. Help 意思是去帮助。Help him 意思是帮帮他，他难的他。Dear father, dear 是亲爱的的意思。这里父亲 father 在影片中指的是天父的意思。
Help him, dear father.
Joseph, Jesus, and Mary, help my friend, Mr. Bailey.
Joseph, Jesus, and Mary. 在这里 Joseph, Jesus 和 Mary 都是神的名字，在西方基督教里面，人们祈祷时经常念到他们的名字。Help my friend, Mr. Bailey. Help 刚才提到是帮助的意思。My friend. My 是我的 friend 是朋友。Mr. Bailey. Mr 是先生的意思。
Joseph, Jesus, and Mary. Help my friend, Mr. Bailey.
Help my son George tonight.
Help my son, George, tonight. 意思是今天晚上请帮帮我的孩子乔治。刚才学到 help 是帮助 my 是我的 son S-O-N 是儿子的意思 George 是一个人名 tonight 意思是今天晚上 tonight
Help my son, George, tonight.
He never thinks about himself, God. That's why he's in trouble.
He never thinks about himself, God. 意思是他从不为自己考虑，上帝啊。Never 意思是从不 Think 意思是思考 About 意思是关于 Himself 意思是他自己，男的他，连起来就是 He never thinks about himself. 如果我们把 never 去掉，那意思就是他为自己考虑的。可以这样说 He thinks about himself. God 这个单词是上帝的意思。下一句 That's why he's in trouble. That's why 意思是这就是为什么。In trouble 意思是遭了殃，或者是更通俗的说就是身处麻烦里面。He's in trouble 意思是他现在遇上麻烦了，或者他正在处于麻烦当中。如果我们说你麻烦大了，或者是你完蛋了，我们可以说 You are in trouble. 你闯祸了。You are in trouble.
He never thinks about himself. God. That's why he's in trouble.
George is a good guy.
George is a good guy. George 是一个好人。Guy 在英文里面一般指的是家伙，指的是男人。George is a good guy. Good guy 就是好人、好家伙的意思，是一句通俗用语。
George is a good guy.
Give him a break, God.
Give him a break, God. 意思是让他休息一下吧，上帝啊。Give him a break. 意思是给他一个休息。有时候我们可以说 Give me a break. 意思是让我消停一下吧，你不要烦我了。比如有人在跟你一直不停的唠叨，你就可以对他说 Please give me a break. 意思是麻烦你了，让我消停消停吧。
I love him, dear Lord.
I love him, dear Lord. 比如说感叹的时候就可以说 Oh Lord.
I love him, dear Lord.
Watch over him tonight.
Watch over him tonight. Watch over him. Watch 是看的意思， Watch over 就是照看。
Watch over him tonight.
Please, God, something's the matter with Daddy.
Please, God. 意思是求求您了，上帝。Please 简单的说是请的意思，但是也可以直接用成一个句子，说 Please 意思是麻烦了，求您了。Something's the matter with Daddy. 爸爸出了一些问题。Something is the matter with Daddy. 缩减成了 Something's the matter with Daddy.
Something's the matter with Daddy.
Please bring Daddy back.
Please bring Daddy back. Bring 是拿回来的意思。Bring something back 意思是把某个东西拿回来。
Please bring Daddy back.